Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making Paneer Payasam or Paneer Kheer, a creamy traditional Indian dessert that melts in your mouth. Rich, aromatic and made with simple ingredients, this sweet treat is perfect for any celebration or family gathering. Take 1 liter of milk in a pan. Payasam is one of the oldest sweet dishes in Indian cuisine. The word payasam means sweet milk in Sanskrit. Stir continuously. Let it come to a boil. Always use full-fat milk for rich and creamy texture. Now mix 2 tablespoons vinegar with 2 tablespoons water and add it to the milk. The milk will curdle beautifully. This is our fresh paneer or chenna. Now strain the water completely. Wash with clean water and keep it aside. Paneer adds a soft melt-in-mouth texture to traditional payasam. It's often made during festivals like Onam and Diwali for good luck. Now in another pan, pour 2 cups of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix well and let it boil. Now add 2 tablespoons condensed milk. Two tablespoons sugar. 3 tablespoons mixed dry fruits. Half teaspoon cardamom powder and a few saffron strands. Mix and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the milk thickens slightly. Add saffron at the end for a beautiful color and aroma. Paneer is a great source of calcium and protein. This dessert gives instant energy and helps muscle recovery. Reduce sugar for a diabetic-friendly version. Now add the prepared chana. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Don't overcook the paneer, it should stay soft. Your creamy flavorful paneer kheer is ready. Serve warm or chilled, it's heavenly either way. Add almonds and pistachios for extra nutrition and crunch. So make this paneer payasam for your next festival meal. Rich, creamy and perfectly delicious. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade sweets. Do you like your payasam warm or chilled? Tell us in the comments below and share this recipe with your loved ones.